Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can simply add testimonial slider for your Shopify website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on a link down below in the description. When you're gonna do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a testimonial slider. Let's click sign up for free. Sign up with email, Gmail or Facebook, it's really up to you. And when you will have it, then just click login. Now here in applications, in search, you want to write testimonials. Testimonial sliders, let's create a widget. Now you can choose between rotator, cards, carousel. I really like the slider now. It's good, I think. Or rotator. Rotator is better. Let's continue with this template. Now you can choose the single spotlight. Then you can change the content. This is what I like, is that you can just easily click on testimonials and edit everything, edit the offer name, social profile, the caption, website URL if you want to. You can just really play around with everything. Let's just click save here. Now you need to choose a plan. You can start with the light version, which is $0 a month, or you can go with the basic or pro version, $5 or $10 a month. There's like 5,000, 50,000 views, or even enterprise, $25 a month. So when you have it, let's copy the code here. Let's add a section. Custom content, let's click add. Now here, I will just delete this one and I will delete this one here. I will add a content, custom HTML, and let's paste it. And let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, let's add it to 100%. Now we have it like really good in the middle. But of course, you're gonna have, if you're gonna choose light version, you're gonna see the L-Site logo here. So you need to go like with the $5 or $10 or $15 to upgrade your version. So this is it, and this is how you can simply add testimonial slider to your Shopify website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And what I recommend, also, like, check all the other applications here. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya.